Philosophy. Cebu Eastern College believes that the best education is eclectic education inscribed in a culture of excellence, freedom, and relevance. Vision. Cebu Eastern College Incorporated is a non-stop, non-profit private educational institution that adopts Confucian teachings, is holistic, morally upright, and globally competent graduates equipped with 21st century skills and contributes meaningfully to the community. Mission. A Filipino-Chinese institution that aims to produce leaders who possess Confucian values, foster academic and extracurricular excellence, and provide service with integrity. Goals. Cebu Eastern College Incorporated aims to develop academically excellent, morally upright, and competent learners grounded in Confucian values who pursue harmony, integrity, and lifelong learning.